Yeah, hello friends. So welcome to our channel. So today we'll be going to have a look at how I got that Muthoot Finance, which is making an 52-week high, and I made an option strategy using that to capture the profit from that higher moment. Okay, so what I had done is I came to an NSE India website by the time of like around 9:45. Okay, so and after that I clicked on this stock watch. So yesterday, like I made an video, right? So how to do an how to select the stock for an intraday selections, intraday trade. Okay, so I choose this FNO stocks, and I come to know that. So after clicking on that, so I got to know. So Muthoot Finance is trading higher, and at the time of I am placing that. Looking into that stock, right? So it made a high of like 1094, and it's the 52-week high. Okay, so I moved into an chart, so I can see that. So by the time of 1094, even I have posted that in my um, Twitter. So here you can see that Muthoot Finance made a new 52-week high today at 1095. Okay, so this I have posted at the time of 9:53. Even if you have a look at that at 9:53, right? So let me show you. So here you can see at the time of 9:55, it made the high of 1094, and I posted at the time of 9:55. Okay, so and I made an option strategy, so that it's breaking its 52-week high with a very good volume. So it will move higher, and it will not break its lower point. Okay, so I made that option strategy. So after that, I had a look at the 1 day candle. So here you can see this might act as an support for this current month. Okay, so it's at the level of 954.90. So let's keep it as a 955. So 955 will act as an support for this current month. So I moved to this option strategy builder. Okay, so and I choose Muthoot Finance. Okay, and after choosing these options, so here we can see the expiry is 25th June. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy one lot of 10,000 put option. Okay, so 10,000 put option, one lot is trading at 12 rupees. So, and once again I'm going to choose 980 put option, and I'm going to sell two lots. Okay, so here I'm doing an ratio spread. Sorry, so we need to sell two lots. Okay, so here you can see that. So as we have seen, based on our chart, we have an support at the level of 955. So here you can see this break even is at the level of 953. So if the market moves below 953, then our strategy will start giving us loss, and above 953, wherever the market stays, will be in the profit, even if the market goes to 9,400 or 500 level. Okay, so we'll be having the maximum profit of 19,000 at the level of 980, as we sold two lots at the 980 level. So we'll be having the maximum loss at 980 at as a profit of rupees 19,875. And if the market starts moving down, we'll be having our profit gets reduced slowly, as we have two lots of sold put option. So it will start giving us a loss. Okay, and after, even if the market moves to higher, then you can see we'll be having the profit gets moving down till the thousand level, as we bought the put option. Okay, so after that 1,000 point, wherever the market goes, will be in the profit of rupees 5,625 rupees. Okay, so this is one of the strategy to get to stay in the profit wherever the market moves, as it's in a bullish mode. So I don't want to keep any upper break even. So if the market tends to move too higher, then if we do some strategy which is having the higher break even as well, then we'll end up in loss as well if the market tends to move too higher. Okay, so this is one of the best strategy, and we can hold it till the expiry if the market doesn't trade below 1,000. If the market trade at the level of 1,000, then we need to close it, as there is an mandatory delivery, so we need to close it with the whatever the profit we have. And if the market moves about 10,000, then we can hold this profit till to hold in this trade till the day of expiry to capture the maximum profit of 5,625 rupees. Okay, so this is one of the option strategy which is a ratio spread. So thanks for watching, friends. So please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be getting a new videos notification whenever we upload any new videos. And also like, share and comment your queries, so that will encourage us to do more videos as well in the future. So thanks for watching, friends.